This place has great coffee and amazing views.
A deer on the beach. Eagles and deer. We've been here all of like 2 minutes, and there's a seal. Yeah, beautiful area.
I am visiting a friend in Courtenay on Vancouver Island. Before I get on the bike today, we are taking a walk to the Puntledge River. This is a spot we put our tubes in to float the river. And the dog is in the water again. I'm assuming this has something to do with salmon. This is a river the salmon spawn in. And I continue my journey to explore more of Vancouver Island. I love these old neighborhoods with the craftsman-style homes.
I am in downtown Courtenay and heading towards Campbell River in a minute. So we just finished tubing down the river, and this is the bridge that people were jumping off of. We tubed down there. Beautiful. I did not jump off the bridge. I floated under it. I don't think I have ever seen an elk on Vancouver Island, actually. There are signs that say beware of elk, so they're here. I have seen lots of deer, I have seen bear, and I've seen cougar, but I have not seen elk. Yeah, look at those mountains. More beautiful mountains. There's a sign, Campbell River. Okay, so now a little bit of highway. Going north on Vancouver Island from Courtenay to Campbell River.
I took a short detour to Black Creek Motors to check out this really cool driftwood VW bug. The owner saw me taking photos, being really careful, and offered for me to sit inside. Another quick stop, this one to look at the beautiful views of the ocean and the mountains.
I am almost at Campbell River on the Island Highway on Vancouver Island.
First things first, stop for a coffee. This place has great coffee and amazing views.
I am at Dick Murphy Park in Campbell River, and someone made a really cool lean-to behind me. This is a gorgeous day. It's, I think, before 10 in the morning still, and yeah, really nice. The fish were jumping. That's what made me grab the camera. It's like, oh, fish, very cool. And yeah, hopefully one will jump behind me now. But of course not, because I have the camera now. I can't remember how many types of salmon go up here. They go up the rivers, I think maybe 3 or 4, and it's one of the salmon runs is happening now. So I'm not sure if it's salmon jumping or something else, but very cool. Yeah, beautiful area.
This is the Tyee Club of British Columbia. I will have more on this later. What a gorgeous area to meet people for lunch. Beautiful carvings before we even get to the view. Where we saw the local wildlife right away.
A deer on the beach.
I was just going to say there was a deer wandering around here this morning, and lo and behold,
Very cool.
I'm down to get some
Right there.
veggie snacks. I guess so.
Oh yeah.
So we've seen eagles and deer. We've been here all of like 2 minutes, and there's a seal. We're at Painter's Lodge in Campbell River, and it is beautiful.
Always enjoy trying the local brew and love the whales on this glass.
Seaplane coming in. We have one going, taking off now, and then one just underneath it right now coming in.
Heading down to the dock, and I love how clear this water is.
All the little fishies. And there's a crab, which you can just see the edge of. If I come over here, oops, I moved and the fish all moved. They saw my shadow. You can see a bit more of the crab. Under the seaweed, hiding. Oh, there's a couple. Yeah, beautiful.
This area is known for fishing. Looking back at the balcony where we enjoyed our lunch.
I love how clear the ocean is here. Just see under the boats perfectly. Little jellyfish.
Enjoying the dock and the refreshing water.
Okay, the seal popped his head out. He's looking at us. Said, hey, they have fish? He did pop his head out a bit more, checking us out. Oh, there's two of them. And they're going away. Lots going on.
Seals always remind me of labs. Curious and playful. So beautiful here, I could sit on the dock and relax all day. Time to go see another place. Another float plane taking off as we're leaving.
In Campbell River at the Tyee Club. People row their boat in the Tyee boats, and they are trying to catch a Tyee fish over 30 pounds. And it's the only way you can become a member of the Tyee Club. When you catch your fish, you come up here on your boat, you walk up, you ring the bell, and you get it officially weighed. And the weighmaster over here, he weighs the fish, and it goes up onto a board there, and it's logged in. Oh, there's a guy on a Tyee boat now coming up to shore. Maybe he's got one.
There's two seals, kind of in the middle of my screen right now. One just went under. And these are the Tyee boats. And the sunset. Beautiful.
There are many rules that go along with this type of fishing. I believe one of them is where they can fish, which is why you see them going back and forth in this line. And to also not use an engine while fishing. I'm not sure if where I am is considered part of Dick Murphy Park or not. If not, I am very close. Couldn't come here without seeing the namesake, the Campbell River. As you can tell, this is one of the many rivers in the area that the salmon spawn in. And yes, there are bears in the area. Seymour Narrows is known for having currents up to 16 knots and whirlpools. Just south of Campbell River now at Willow Point. Fun to see the wildlife everywhere here. There are many wildlife tours as well as fishing tours. I'm on the east coast of Vancouver Island in British Columbia, Canada. Hit like, subscribe, share, and add a comment below. Thanks for watching. Follow me on social media.